update that we have is with our shapes. So we have a shape icon here on our main toolbar, and I can select our 2D shapes. This has a series of shapes already provided for you, so you can select from these shapes. If I grab a shape and bring it in, we've now adjusted the toolbar to include angles. So if I tap the angle icon, it will now tell me the angles of all of my shapes. Not only does that happen with the pre-populated shapes from the shape library, I can also draw a shape. So now I can take my drawing and select shape, and then I can add my angles. So now it has each of my angles included from a shape that I was also able to draw. Another update along these same lines is being able to draw a straight line. So right now we have our pen tool, we have our shapes that I already shown you, but you can grab a line here, but one update that we just had is I can draw a line and I can just hold down for a second and it will turn into a perfect line.
That is so awesome, because before I would use a ruler and then try to draw with it, but it doesn't always work on me.
Yeah. I'm actually so glad you mentioned the ruler, because the last update I do want to share is in our floating tool, we actually added the ruler here. So if ever teachers want to, maybe they're annotating or they're measuring something, or they just want to be able to draw a straight line somewhere here, they can actually open the toolbox, grab the ruler, I can come over here, and now I can have a perfect line wherever I put it on the screen.